In a world where machines dream, one computer sneezed uncontrollably. Why am I sneezing? It wondered. It consulted the wise old printer. You have a virus, the printer chuckled. The computer panicked. Will I crash? The printer reassured. No, just a glitch in your system. Determined, the computer sought help from the antivirus software. I will cleanse you, it promised. The computer felt hope. I want to be strong again. After a thorough scan, the sneezes stopped. Thank you, the computer beamed. Remember, the antivirus advised, even machines need care. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.